Hi friends, my name is Ahmed and welcome everyone. Friends, today's my topic is very important, so please watch the video, don't skip that. Friends, iPhone 13 Pro Max, everybody knows very well. So if you see that on the paper 2020, if you plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 and 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. This is a 4. 4 number is a Uranus number. This is a very powerful and very dangerous number. Friends, 4 number is a very powerful and very dangerous number. Powerful for the people born in 4, 13 and 22, and dangerous for the people born in 7, 16 and 25. This number is not a bad number. This number is very powerful number. If this number good for you, it's extremely good for you. If this number not good for you, is extremely bad for you. So please friends, do subscribe my YouTube channel. I request for all of you.